Hi, and welcome to this session of English 203. We are in week 8. Week 8, do you know what that means? This means that we still have 4 more weeks before the end of the semester. As I said last time, for this course, you're not going to be taking any finals, which means that the last day of class is the last day for this course, which means that you will be done completely with this course in 4 weeks. Now, where are we right now? We are drafting our Wikipedia articles. But since it is 4 of us, it should go fairly quickly. Now, I know some of you are still trying to find sources, you're still fine-tuning your sources, etc., etc. But I want you to be writing as you're finding sources. Okay, you can divide the work up amongst yourselves, where every single person is responsible for one thing, especially for those of you who live outside the country. What you can do is you can liaise with the people who are here in case you need to run to the library or you need to meet with someone in order to get some resources or some information. By meeting, I hope you're not putting yourselves in danger in any way, shape, or form. Okay. Do you have any questions about the Wikipedia article before we begin? Any questions?
I have a question.
Sure, go ahead, Ren.
I think you sent on the WhatsApp group an email of the librarian,
Yes.
right? Anyone can email her to ask her for resources.
Yes, and people have already emailed her and asked her for resources, and she's already responded with some sources attached to the email.
Okay.
Sure.
Great, thank you.
She's your course-specific librarian, and she is also responsible for this project as well. So her job is to also help you as much as she can, right? She cannot send, unless a book is available in e-form, she cannot send the entire book. She can probably scan pages for you. So you can ask her, for example, is there any information in this book about the author's place of birth, date of birth, some more information? Can you scan, for example, if this is a book written by the author, or can you find us, or can you help us find books that were written by this particular author? She can probably do that for you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
The reason we have a course-specific librarian is because librarians are indispensable to us. We cannot do our work, our research, without the help of librarians. They are the information managers. They help us a lot. And because you're new at AUB, I would want you to meet librarians and to work with librarians so that you can, in the future, make use of this connection, and in the future as well, work with her. Or if she doesn't have answers for you, she can always put you in touch with somebody who has the answers for you. And later on, when you start working within your major, like for example, if you are a science major, or if you are an engineering major, and you're working within the major, you have course specific librarians who are specialized in sciences, or in engineering, or in architecture, or in agriculture, or whatever it is. So they can help you as well, help you find resources, sometimes much better than we can, because they are the information managers. Okay, so keep that in mind. And they, by the way, they love helping. They are amazing and they love helping. Someone is asking, how can we cite a source that's in AUB's library that are not accessible to everyone? You have to elaborate, because I don't know what you mean by. You cite the source just like you cite any other source, even if it's not accessible to everyone. You cite it how you cite it, with following APA standards. Yes, I'm sorry, Carla, you had a question.
Yeah, it's okay. Concerning, our group is working on Dr. Nazik Al-Abid, Anwan Al-Abid. Now, we talked to the librarian, but she sent us resources about also someone called Nazik Al-Abid, but I think she's...
You're presuming that she's a different person? You're breaking up, Carla.
Yes.
So you're presuming it's a different Nazik Abed than Nazik. I'm not sure it's a different person
Because
under
when because the sources attributed a lot to the Syrian how can I say it, to the Syrian community, also to women in Syria actually, but I didn't find specific information concerning her books or her current those that I found on the Lebanese American website, website, I didn't find them related. That's why I thought they're different. And when I searched also on images, I found them to be different, not the same. I'm not sure. I got confused. That's why I'm asking you.
I was not aware of that. Why don't you message me after class? Message me privately to WhatsApp so that we can go over this and verify information and see how we can get more information about the author.
Okay, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank
sure.
you.
Other questions? Okay. Do you guys like to ask WhatsApp questions? Is that it? Or email me at 2 a.m. so that you can ask me questions instead of using this time. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Today we're going to be discussing tone, voice, and what else today? And purpose, right? Point of view, tone, and purpose. And for that, we've read an article that is pretty controversial, right? It's titled, What Makes a Woman? So what's going to happen right now is I'm going to assign you to 5 rooms. We are actually 20, so that will be a very good number for in each room. I'm going to assign you to breakout rooms, and you're going to be answering the questions that are on the Google Doc. So you're going for every group. If you are in group 1, you will take the first page, group 2, second page, etc., etc., and you're going to be answering, repeating what you have answered in the forum about the purpose, about the point of view, about the tone, and you're going to also answer one separate question for that comes from the book, in fact, and is at the end of the article. Okay, so I'm going to randomly assign you to breakout rooms, and then I will give you around 15 minutes to do that, and then we will come back here and discuss the answers all together, right? Okay, so we're creating 5 breakout rooms, and I am going to randomly assign you. Please, when you get the prompt to join the room, do join.